Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay this time. If you'd watched the previous vlog, we swapped, kind of. 2021, we thought we'd do something a little bit different. We carry on with these 3-minute vlogs, but we're gonna hit it out with a bit of a bang. Audi Q8 3-litre TDI. Technically, Urus, Audi RS Q8, SQ8, SQ7, whatever you think of it. I was lucky enough to pick it up last night from Centurian, drove it home, brought it in this morning. Really good car, you know, you never see them. Looks a bit like the e-tron. They've had it all colour-coded by Colourcraft, and then today we've added the Maxton kit onto it. We normally run the wheel spacers, but they've changed the wheels out for some different 22s. Maxton knocked it out of the park on this kit. Double gloss black spoiler, side skirts and the front. It's just giving this car a real edge. That's giving it quite an OEM plus look. I mean, I'm sure Jay's already done the B-roll and already seen it. This looks fantastic. You know, what a car. We've had it parked out the front today and everyone's second glance, everyone's had another look. You never see Q8s, and the fact this one's all colour-coded looks really good. When it first pulled into us, already colour-coded, as you see already probably some B-roll, it needed the gloss black accent pack. So yeah, again, Maxton for the win. This car is currently for sale. We've actually, I think, got another 3 more coming in, an all black one, a blue one with a black kit, and I don't know what the colour of the third one is, but Centurion are going to have 4 of these for sale. So please comment down below what you think of this lovely Audi Q8 TDI. As Jay was halfway through the edit on the orange one, we took it back. As you can see, night and day difference with the kit. It's amazing how well that orange pops to the gloss black. They gave us this one. We had enough time to get some 23-inch Hawke wheels fitted to it, full Maxton blackout kit. Car's also been to Colourcraft before it came here for tinted lights and a bit of colour coding. Speaks for itself. Love this one. I think there's also a blue one coming. It won't be in this vlog, but keep an eye on Instagram and Facebook for pictures of that one. Let us know how you'd spec yours and which one you prefer. And yeah, again, these are both still for sale. If you're quick, I don't think they'll hang around very long. They are still available. Centurion information below. And yet again, which one do you prefer? Orange or black? Complete black? Let us know. Thanks a lot.